Right, I thought I'd share with you what you're going to get in your Savanna Sunset mini kits. This is a mini kit, so it's smaller in size. So let's open this up. Bring all this out. So straight away you've got your lovely epoxy stickers. We've got some ribbon. Quite a long piece of ribbon going on there. Again, we've got the chipboard elements that you can just cut the pips and take those out and use them in all different parts. And then let's open up the pattern papers. So you're going to get 24 of the pattern papers here, and they are 15 centimeters by 20 centimeters. That's all of them in here. Okay, so let's have a look what we've got, because you're going to have an A and a B side, so I'm going to try and show you both together so you can see what's on one side and the other. So if I flip this over, A side, B side, but you've got a lovely colour palette, I think you will agree, going on there. So this one is up the other way, so actually you see it as a double page in an album. If you had a little mini album, that works really nice together. So again, A side, B side going on. These are beautiful papers. I'm going to flip that one over again. So you've got your A side and B side. The colours are nice actually, because it's not all just browns, which you would think it would be. You've got different colour tones going on. You know, you've got the elements of gold going on here and the zigzags. And don't forget about your borders. Lots of nice patterns going on here. So again, you've got your A side, your B side with that border on as well that can be used. We've got cut aparts. So you know with Celebr8 you've got the little black line that goes all the way around, making it easy to cut your elements out. And you do have 2 sheets of those, but you've got the B side as well. So you've got that lovely colour palette that complements them beautifully. So if you don't want to fussy cut out, you can just use your paper. Choice is yours. We've got words going on, so I'm going to turn that over, because even on the reverse you've got that lovely sandy, like distress look. And it says, do one thing every day that scares you. So that could be for anything. But on the other side, the A side, you've got all these beautiful words. So there's so many there to choose, and I bet you don't use them all. So that is your wording. We've got some wood grain effect, like flooring going on here. And again, this lovely swirl pattern. And it says on here, you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. How lovely is that for a sentiment, even on a card? Now, we've got animals coming in now. So you've got, again, 2. You've got your A and your B. So on the A side, you've got these lovely cut apart cards, tags going on there with the animals as well. If you didn't want the animals, cut round the tags, and then you'd have that on the reverse, and you can use the reverse of the tags, you know. But this could be anything at all. It doesn't have to be animal related, so don't just think you've got to use them to be animal related. So if I flip this one over again, it says, not all those who wander are lost. That's nice. But again, you've got animals going on here, but if you didn't want it, you could cut it out and have this as your pattern paper. Or you could use that part with the wording and put something over the top. You know, mix and match. Have a play with them. So they are just stunning papers. Oh, look at these. That makes just a lovely card front, wouldn't it? Perfect. So let me show you the A and the B. So you've obviously got big cards if you're doing mini albums and want cards for photo mats, but you've got these that you can cut out as well. This is the B side. Look how amazing they are. You could 3D those up on your papers. Wouldn't they look absolutely stunning? So let's move those to one side. And then we've got the lovely wording. I'm going to show you the B side. There's the B side with all those circles. But you've got 2 of these, remember, so you've got 2 of these with the lovely words. Even that word discovery, you just follow that black line all the way around and that would cut out as one part. But you've got all these little tag elements, you've got nature, you've got wild, you've got lots going on with this kit. And then you've got your 2 pieces of plain white cardstock. So that is your Savanna Sunset. So 24 pieces or sheets of your papers, your chipboard, your ribbon and your epoxy stickers. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. I love this kit and I think you will too.